PaLexpo, Geneva, Switzerland. A big place, really big place, where lots of events, special events, all Europe, all universe. And for me, special toilet education for everybody. Ah la la. Hop. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. And water with me. Like that. Up. Turn around again, like that, like in there. And now I go out, okay? After the dog show, the European dog show. The security here must be perfect. Don't you know that? There are places like that. That's what we call extincteur de feu local. And very important. This is a lift. I should take the lift to show them in the Philippines this problem with the lift. This special lift. But I used to use the stairs. It's really good for my body. Such as making stretch like this. Up, 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 up. Dali. Tagal naman eh. Morning po sir, ma'am. Ayan, wala nang pindot-pindot diyan. Dot. Because there is the téléphone d'urgence. Voilà. Everybody comprend mon français. C'est comme ça. Pardon. So it was like that. It was down at the level. Same time. Just one floor. Sometimes I may make mistakes with my English, Tagalog. Of course, I told you I'm French speaking from Switzerland. Not up. What if I take again? Up for one more level. See, it's really big, only for toilets. We are in the hall 7. Hall set. I was here for a rave, techno rave, and the other side I was for the salon d'auto. It's about automobile. Auto means like autograph about yourself. Mobile means to move. That's why I used to take the stairs, but I'm in the lift. That's what we call automobile. Automobile is your body. Once you are really sick one day, sick means both you lose your mind and your body. Wala lang automobile. Also there's salon d'invention, inventions. It was really interesting, but I used to say interesting because it sounds like very original. I thought it was like that. Then I used to use. That's what we call habits. Please, ang tagal. Wow. Kapindot na eh. Help! Someone can help me. Huh? Help! Please. Pastilan. Ayaw ka. Kapagod eh. Kita nga ako. Palabas. Up. 1, up, and 2, up, and 3, and up, and The good, the bad, and the unggoy. Yung ano ba, yung unggoy na ganito. Ganito. 4-in-1. Naintindihan nyo? Hindi yung ganito ba? Ha? Hindi. Sabay-sabay. Here's the little puppy. I really love that puppy. I didn't even touch. Though I can also. Because it's like that. Sometimes, temptation. Better not to be tempted. But be sure, if there's a game, once I decide to play, I always win. So that's what I said. Never provocate someone because you don't even know how the person will act. So that means if you think you are strong, there's someone else stronger than you. And that is me. So go ahead, fight with your demons. Because me are your demons. See? Now I have to go out. Now they have to clean this and finish the dog show. Next time, cat is. I really love cats. Though I know that cats and dogs can stay together, like tourist people with a beautiful Filipina like me. A real one, huh? Don't forget, I'm a Dabawenya. But I speak in English so that I can touch others' mind. Then they came in my profile just say, wow! I wanna lick your and you're a big ass, a beautiful and some while others some say tomboy. They don't even know if they say lesbian. See? That's I told you. Never lose control. That it's okay, it's alright. Because we need to do all those emotions. But imagine only that you have something like a very sharp something like in your hand. Then with the adrenaline you do Katsu na puta na iha na blah 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 blah. Here in Switzerland you say putain bordel de merde, nom de Dieu, putain scheiße, litze, blah blah blah. Ganda. Tribes ko yan. Kanya-kanyang tribes. Wala magastusan. Wow, PaLexpo. Geneva. Wow. See? United Nations is around here. Then, of course, here in Geneva, there are parks in each area, either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In Berlin, they say for the equivalent of one person, there are, I think, 2, 3, something like that. Same in London, I think. No, sometimes people are saying, it's like that, and then you believe, and then one day you say, you can just say, even the statistic is not right. That's why we call statistic. There's nothing like about 100%. There's 1 or 99%. Believe me. And now I have to change the mood. And hop, basura. Very stylish, huh? And plastic, the traffic on the drug. They put the ganja here and just attack, and it's free. They think it's free. It's my money. It's my money. Hop. Bienvenue à Genève. While others that are still speaking in English or in French or in Spanish for how many years here in Switzerland? Even when they go to the shop, they can't be understand. That's why I'm saying that everybody's tanga. Tanga means that you have something like a handicap. Like me, for example, I'm handicapped with my body. See? How kayo ba? Bon. Sérieusement, maintenant, autant rouler un joint. C'est meilleur. Sabi ni Rax, kanya daw ang escalator. Relax. 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 Move. 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 Move, ma. And ma. Beautiful flow. Flower. Hindi po drug addict or porter. Very interesting. The most beautiful reporter. I can tell you also the weather forecast. La 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 la. Balwaz. Balwaz. Up. And sachet up. No, there's nothing. There's lots of drug addicts. But not this kind of place. Here must be clean. Because there's the security here. La la la. And even there's the security beside you. They're also criminal. Just like you. Once you say bad words or think bad things, you are a criminal. But me, I'm not a sinner. Because I'm telling the truth. If you think I'm bad, I'm surely bad. It's normal, no? Normal, no?